Good morning. My name is Juan Carlos Alonso, and psychology student in the B1 English class, group 1895. We are going to talk about ecological action and environmental conservation. Begin. Below, we will see some of the ways in which we can contribute on the conservation and care of our environment because it is our home and we have to take care of it. Why good ecology habit and above all be giving a good example to future generations. Ecologic action, for example, saving energy, reducing plastic consumption, and not littering and recycling. So, environmental conservation, protection of natural ecosystem, support the conservation of animal and plant species, preventing illegal hunting and protecting natural habitat to maintain ecological balance. Avoid wasting water, use water saving devices at home and support initiatives that promote sustainable management of water resources. Thank you so much.